Hi, welcome to Dragon Mart Part 3. Right, so I said that we were gonna check for tiles, but I'm also looking for lighting. I knew it. I knew you'd say that. All right. All right, are you making a good deal for me? Yeah. All right, he's making a good deal. So, mission number 1, bathroom tiles. Hi, welcome to Dragon Mart Part 3, where we're coming to find some deals. So you're gonna have to watch this whole video to see how I make good decisions and save money for myself. So today, what are we doing? We are going to find some tiles for the master bathroom, the backdrop tiles, and then for the boys' bathroom. I'm gonna meet Mohan now, and we're gonna make some decisions. We're gonna make some good decisions, because whenever I meet him, that's what I do, is make some good decisions and save some money. So, all right, so I said that we were gonna check for tiles, but I'm also looking for lighting. This is an option. I like this for the stairs, and it's a pretty good deal, 250 dirhams. And then the entrance, I kind of like this. How much is that one? 750. So that's not bad either, 750 dirhams. That's not a bad option. I'll send it to Mohan. But they got a lot of lighting options. That one's not bad either. It's smaller, because we found a pretty nice one that had white and black, but I think could be too much. So I don't want anything blocking the views in the house. Hey man, how's it going? How much is that one? And I gotta take a picture of it. We got that, black. 180. What if I wanted 2? That's real marble?
Yeah, real marble.
Really? How much is it?
180.
180.
Yeah.
And I want to get 2.
Yeah, you are first customer. You special price 180.
Yeah.
350
They all tell me that.
Yeah.
Huh?
350 for 2 pieces.
350 for 2 pieces. All right. Hey Mohan. Hey man. I know that we're not looking for light, but I found something that's super nice. Can I send it to you real quick and let me know what you think? Because it's made from marble. You know those pendant lights that we have in the arch, those black ones? This one, here, I'll send it to you real quick. Sorry. Tell me what you think, because they just got it. So it's got, it's very nice. What do you think of that? It's actually made out of marble. It's white and black. You see that?
Nice. But you mean for the TV wall, yeah?
No, not the TV wall. For the ones that I already bought. You know those black linear ones that we bought? The linear ones. They're linear ones.
Next to the arch, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
I think this is better. What do you think? It's nice, huh? She's saying she can give me 2 for 350. It's nice, right? It's perfect, actually. Yeah, only one. But you see how it's black? It's perfect. It matches our area perfectly. What is it? Okay, can you put the light off? I'll take a picture with the light off. It's perfect, right? I knew it. I knew you'd say that. All right. Damn, sorry, man. We made a pit stop. So let me just grab these and I'll come right now. All right. Or I'll see you in a bit. Where's the boss? Let's make a deal.
This one
Yeah,
black.
but what's the best price on it?
This boss this 350 there already. This boss.
Good price. Are you sure? What's your name?
Yes, Saklan.
Saklan?
Saklan. Yes.
All right, Saklan. Are you making a good deal for me?
Yeah.
All right, he's making a good deal. All right, let's buy him. Let's go though, because my contractor's waiting for me. He's gonna be mad. So we're making deals. What's your name?
Lily.
Lily. Yeah. What's the name of your place? Name?
Number is ST23.
ST23. All right. So if you want to come and get some good deals, come and speak to Lily. She says she's gonna give me a gift. Let's see what that gift is. All right. So we are at the building materials outlet. There was a little bit of a communication error with Mohan, and we're here to find some tiles for the bathroom. One thing is, isn't it amazing when you actually find exactly what you're looking for, and it's that aha moment? I was happy with the linear lights, but then I found those, and it just hits a sweet spot. I'm really happy about that. So here we go. Even on your holidays. What's up, man? He's a great guy. Usually people, when you find a contractor and you do business with them, you hate them and never want to see him again. And somehow I became friends with this guy. So anyway, 2 things today. We're gonna try to find tiles for the bathrooms, master and my son's bathroom. And then a side quest is my friends Paul and Jumana also want me to just check on some tiles. So I'm gonna try to do that. So those are the updates. We're gonna try to get a lot done today. So mission number 1, bathroom tiles. which is gonna be for the shower, right behind it. We're gonna try to find some like accent tiling, but there might be like different sort of options. Hey, how are you? Hey, quick question. So we're looking for some bathroom tiles, but I'm also looking, do you guys have outdoor tiles? Where, over there?
Yeah.
Those are all outdoor, okay. So like I said, I'm looking for outdoor as well. That looks good.
You have the 80 160, 90 by 90, sorry 80 by 80, 60 by 120.
You like that one?
The size is nice.
The size?
Yeah. Even the maybe like light with the less.
Yeah. So we just want to do large ones, not smaller tiles.
Like if you can come in the video,
They're easier to install.
no, it's not easier, but it look there's less joint, so it will look better.
Looks better, okay. The reason I want to do plain is because the floor is going to have a lot of color anyways. That's not bad, but I just feel like it's kind of plain. 135 per square meter.
Best we need.
Okay.
We have it in polish, also we have it in matte. We have the polish one, we have the matte one. And all sizes.
That's not
80,
bad.
160, 120, 120, 60 by 120.
They're both
Also
nice.
slab, 120.
So that's the matte, and then right, and then the polished. Huh.
Here is it 60 by 120. Okay. Polish one, and matte one.
Yeah, but the larger ones are the nicer ones, right? All right, we're gonna do some checking and come back. Yeah, some brainstorming, exactly. So we made a decision. Mohan's out. Thank you, Mohan. So, good update. We have the tile for the walls for the vanity. So where the countertops are gonna go, we're gonna go with that. So we get 2 slabs, and that's one piece. And then finally, for the rest of the bathroom, we're gonna go subway tile. So that's the update.